after calling it a scam by RRBs for not reporting any vacancy in couple of years and 3 years in many banks, many people attacked us, but so many people rallied behind us. And finally, the unions came out with a letter of demanding release of vacancies in Baroda sponsored RRBs and major profitable RRBs. And they called for a agitation, strike and dharna in 19th and 20th of this month. And finally, the Deputy Labour Commissioner under Industrial Dispute Act section 33 and section 22 subsection 1 has called these banks and unions to sit in a negotiating table on 14th of this month at 4 o'clock to amicably resolve the issue. Mark my words, amicably resolve this issue noted in the letter from the Deputy Labour Commissioner, which is endorsed by the चीफ लेबर कमिश्नर. ठीक है, तो इसका सीधा ये मतलब हुआ कि 14th को जब नेगोशिएशन होगा, नेगोशिएशन एक ही मुद्दे के ऊपर होगा, क्योंकि जब अमिकेबली रिजॉल्व किया जाएगा इशू का एक ही तो डिमांड है, रिलीज करिए वैकेंसी, तो सीधा सीधा वैकेंसी नंबर इंक्रीज होने जा रहा है. थैंक यू फॉर रैलिंग बिहाइंड अस, थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग आवर very articulately used words of scam, of non-reporting of vacancy. So thank you again for being with us, and I want to congratulate all of you, those who supported us. Now the vacancy numbers are officially going to increase in RRBs, and we are the only platform to stand with the students and to raise this issue. So share it max, boost Knowledgeist, so that in future if any of these banks do any injustice to the aspirants, we will raise our voice. So thank you again for being with us. And जो लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं अच्छे से तैयारी करिए. We are not only delivering the best result in the industry of professional banking and banking lateral entry in scale 2, scale 3 segment, but also continuously raising the injustice done by these banks. And many a times we are getting very positive impact only because most of you बिलोंग टू नॉलेजिस्ट. इन बैंक्स को भी पता है जो भी अच्छे मैन पावर वो रिक्रूट करते हैं वो नॉलेजिस्ट के फैक्ट्री से बन के तैयार होके आते हैं. तो चलिए, ये कंग्रेचुलेटरी मैसेज आप सबके लिए था. ये वीकेंड आप जम के तैयारी करिए. आगे भी जो होगा मैं आपको ये अपडेट दूंगा. ये अपडेट किसी के पास अभी अवेलेबल नहीं, मतलब कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म इसको पिक नहीं किया होगा. हु केयर्स अबाउट द एस्पिरेंट्स, सबको कोर्स एट्सेट्रा सेल करना होता है. नॉलेजिस्ट इज एज ऑलवेज डिफरेंट दैन एनी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म इन दी banking industry. So thanking you all again for being with us. So do subscribe, share it max with your friends and colleagues so that our voice reach the last mile. Thanking you all again. Thank you.